Hello, my name is Mike. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to opt in to a feature. I'm signed in as an Application Implementation Consultant, which is the only role that can access offerings to implement and opt in to their features. When I sign in for the first time after an upgrade, I'll see this message. Along with that message, the What's New icon is displayed. Users will see the What's New icon and a red notification dot until they visit the What's New page once. There's a lot of available features, some with a large setup component. We weren't ready for all of these features when they first came out, so it's nice to have the opportunity to get them later. On the What's New page, I can see which features I've already opted into and use the Learn More feature to access the online help and get more information about a feature if I need to. I can filter by offering, view a list of features explicitly published by the content provider, and choose which functional areas and features I want to opt into and get upgrades automatically when they're released. I can only opt into features associated with products I'm licensed for, and I must enable an offering to use it. Here I can see the features, feature hierarchy, and feature dependencies within the functional areas of this offering. I can tell that there are also some more granular features for some of the specific functional areas. I can click the Edit icon in the Features column to view and select those features if I need to. I can use the Help to get brief information and additional documentation about a feature. I can also see if any setup is required, and I know that I have to opt in before I can do the setup. If the column is labeled Setup and the setup icons are displayed and enabled, then I can perform the setup myself. If the column is labeled Requires Setup and the setup icons are displayed but disabled, I'll need to find someone with the appropriate access to perform the setup. And even though no setup may be required for a feature to be operational, some setup tasks may be available to change its default behavior. These are the setup tasks associated with the selected feature. I can see that some of these are shared, meaning shared structure and setup tasks. When I'm dealing with those, I need to talk to representatives of the other applications. I can also opt in to just a specific feature. I can see all the features for this particular offering and enable the one I want to opt into to automatically receive upgrades for. If a feature has more than one option, I can open that feature, make my feature selection, and then save. If I know what products I'm licensed for or subscribed to, I can go directly to the What's New page. If I wasn't sure, I can go to the Offerings page to search through the offerings I'm subscribed to and select features I want to opt into for future upgrades. I can select one of the offerings I'm subscribed to, like Capital Management. Then I'll look at What's New and see all the new features available from the latest upgrade for this offering. I can expand the related documents to look at documentation on associated features, set up task lists and tasks, related business objects, and related enterprise applications that will help plan the offering implementation. The reports and documents give different aspects of implementing the offering, analyzing the setup requirements and tasks, and viewing associated features and related business objects and enterprise applications. After reviewing all this information, if I want to opt in, I can just click Opt in Features. I can learn more about a particular feature upgrade, see which of the features I'm already opted in for, and opt in to any of the other features. Whether I'm a new or existing customer, I can also simply search for a feature I want to opt into. From the What's New or Opt-in pages, I can use the filters to find a specific feature name, what application revision it was in or between, and whether or not I've already opted into it. This concludes the Using the Opt-in feature tutorial. You can find more information and learning resources in your Oracle Help application, the Oracle Learning Library, and at Oracle University. Thank you.